Breland was showing us where the tornado touched down in front of on the yard next to her house, and you can see the line on the lawn where the tornado went through, and it's like a 1 foot wide, and all you see is the dirt where the grass was ripped off as the tornado made its way across the street, down the hill, and into downtown. The downtown here is nothing but red and blue lights from all the fire and police and ambulances. The area is cordoned off. Again, a pretty stunning situation here.
Well, we actually have the picture you sent, Jorge. Thank you, because we you just described it perfectly for our viewers. I'm curious, though, obviously the damage is widespread. Is it confined to an area, let's say, you know, an eighth of a mile, a quarter of a mile, or whatever, or does it seem to be everywhere?
It's like a straight line, to be honest with you. It's, you can see where all the treetops going down Main Street or High Street into downtown have been cut off. And from our vantage point, it's really hard to see. They're not letting folks down in that direction at this point. But it's hard to see exactly how much damage there is down there. But certainly by the activity here, there's a lot of concern that people might be hurt.
Well, and that was my next question, actually. And maybe you don't have information quite on that yet, but Munson was the first town we heard from where there were reports of injuries. And it sounds like you don't have that information yet. Based on the
I don't have that information right now, but I'm telling you, looking at an ambulance pulling up to a car. Right here. So people are not injured.
So long. I was just telling myself that Martha and I are just.
Thank you so much. We'll continue to monitor.
What I was feeling was affection for a woman who was nice and hot. Or gratitude for handling my divorce, getting me out of that nightmare with Ricky.
Maybe more than that, that have experienced tornadoes on the ground, significant damage there, power outages, possible injuries, and the cleanup's going to be enormous in this as well, and we're not out of the woods yet.
So I do have
moving through the eastern part of the state.
And warnings until at least 8 o'clock tonight, and you mentioned all the number of towns we're talking about.
she doesn't feel the same way about me.
Springfield, Munson, Agawam,
She's strange.
Millbury, Southbridge, Sturbridge,
If she loves anyone,
Charleston, Palmer, and Gorham, New Hampshire, all of these communities reporting possible tornadoes either touching down or camouflage.
Scott's been working so hard on the A house.
Just an extraordinary.
We should do something for him.
And as we're looking at the clock right now, it's 7.
Sounds like he's doing just fine.
The temperature is still 70 degrees.
How can you say that?
Area, and we're looking at the radar, and you can still see the
You know that he's a cold wreck about Madison and the baby. He needs some kindness.
For me being his punching bag wasn't enough.
He didn't need that.
Falling from the sky.
Sure.
Extraordinary. Heavy rains there as well. Palmer is talking about the rain.
I think he should move back in here with
We
us.
heard about
Come again?
hail all day long.
He shouldn't be alone right now. He should be here with his family.
Even up to, at one point, I think Mike Walker mentioned up to 2 inches.
Or maybe
That's huge.
you need a box to
So I have making decisions.
That was fast. But when did you have to get
I don't know, you tell me. It wasn't exactly a pushover, but I did my best.
Debris had fallen out of the air.
Thank you.
Miles apart. And debris traveled that far, either in the tornado or up in the
Of course.
Anything to test, run them all right.
What has happened?
I do my best for everybody I represent, and I do believe that you have benefited from my brilliance on more than one occasion.
So many ways. Lucky for you, I no longer need your legal expertise. Or these keys. Or this sad little job. It's time for me to spread my wings.
This is such a lovely idea. I'd love to. And would you mind if I could show my friends a picture of you there? Oh, yes, of course. Would you like?
Gosh, no. And 1, 2, smile. There you go.
Thank you so
warning for this been issued. We had watches which were issued at 1 o'clock today. These are warnings. The difference between a watch and a warning, a watch keep an eye to the sky. A warning means severe weather is imminent, is happening in your area, and that's what we're seeing. Springfield may actually get another one of these storms coming through. So as they try to clean up, we have a lot of lightning, we have a lot of wind, and perhaps even something stronger than that that's going to be coming through. Now, these two cells are sitting right here, but we've also got this area that kind of blew through Worcester and is headed toward the South Shore. Just want to give you an idea of where it's at right now. Clear light rain, Marshfield, a little bit of sprinkles activity going on. I think you look from Brockton up here towards 95. We've got a cell right here. Now, the history of this has been that once they get to about Route 3, they really kind of collapse because they're pulling in that cool ocean air. We're going to watch these situations. It's really unusual to be sitting here at 7:30 at night in New England talking about a tornado outbreak like this. Pretty amazing stuff. Here's the lightning that you see, a lot of lightning. And there's that cell that I was pointing out west of Springfield, a lot of lightning going on with it as well. David has a closer look with our Storm Team by HD Doppler. What do you see, David?
All right, Mike, we are clearly watching the one in through parts of Worcester County. We do have confirmation from amateur radio that there was a tornado touchdown in Sturbridge along Route 49A. This happening at 7:25. So that kind of gels with what Mary Solanda was talking about as she was along Highway 20 at the day's end. This is amateur radio reporting a tornado touchdown in Sturbridge at Route 49. So this is part of this one thunderstorm cluster that has produced the apparent tornado just to the south of Worcester. We do have that tornado warning posted until 8 o'clock this evening. This storm is a dangerous one. So in Sutton, Northbridge, Upton, Mendon, Brookdale, you need to go inside. You need to seek immediate shelter. The storm has a history of producing quite a bit of damage, from homes damage to overturned cars to small, moderate-sized hail, as well as some very